explosion. That indicates a problem with the nitrous oxide system and the intake valves. Safety crew running down there with the extinguisher. Arnie has stopped the car without incident, and they're going to look under the air scoop, make sure it's not still burning. And I don't think it is. I can't see. I don't think they're actually putting any fire out. And the door is open, and Arnie says, "What? I didn't ask for your help. Get out of the way so I can fire this thing up and back it up to the starting line." What actually happened there is an intake valve hung open while a spark plug was firing. The spark plug, which would normally only ignite the gas and air in the cylinder, actually ignited the... He's out of the car. Arnie, the power Beswick, is on the pull back his own car. As I was saying, the spark plug ignited not only what was in the cylinder, but also all the fuel and air in the intake manifold. That backfires up through the carburetors and out of the air scoop, and that's where you see the big fireball. But it went out quickly, and there was apparently no damage done. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, I don't think he'll be able to make another run as much as he would if we let him. But he can definitely hear you in the car right now. Once again, put your hands